SHEIN. I've gotten a lot of stuff from SHEIN. I've gotten some actually really good bathing suits from SHEIN, and they are really nice. But I decided, there's a stink bug in the room. I decided to try and buy some shoes from SHEIN. We'll just see how badly cheap they are. I don't know if I got both of them. It might just be one pair. I think it might be one pair. I'm not sure which ones I got, but I'm about to unbox it, unbag it. I'm not expecting the whole lot because I think in total together they were like 20 bucks, 2 pairs of shoes. Oh, these are looking real cheap. Okay. Oh wow. At least they're nice and packaged. Smells like plastic. You know what? I actually don't mind them. I like them. Size 85. This is a women's 8.5 just because they didn't have my size. They didn't have an 8, they didn't have a 7.5, 7. All they had, the closest they had to my size was a 6.5 or an 8.5. And I wear size 8, so it's fine. You never know with SHEIN. It could be sizes run too small. So. It feels nice and spongy. On the inside, SHEIN. Ew, the bottoms do feel nice and squishy. Oh, I'm gonna get these so dirty. This is not gonna be good. Okay. Like, so, it's almost like a, I don't know what material this is, because there's no thing on the inside that says what it's made of, but material. I mean, I like them nonetheless. I have so many like name brand dope shoes that it's fine if I get like some no name brand shoes for $10. These were $10. I wanted these because they looked so similar to what my 80s windbreaker jacket looks like. Granted, the yellow isn't as golden yellow as the jacket, and the blue on my jacket is actually teal, but it's pretty close. Here, I'll show you my jacket. So they're just, you know, besides the light blue, they would just be a little off. Here's my windbreaker jacket. Love it. Absolutely love it. And then, here's my sneakers. So, like, it's really, the only thing that's off is the light blue. If it was teal, it would be like a match made in heaven. I'm gonna try them on and see if they're true to 8.5 size. This is gonna be neat. I'm gonna wear this to church tonight with my windbreaker. Oh yeah, it's true to size. I've got plenty of space. I'll just fill it with extra socks. It's okay. I have some basketball sneakers that are too big as well. Awesome. Now the real question is, do I tie the top parts or leave that untied? Yeah. Well, yeah, here's my cheapo sneakers. I have a feeling that if they get dirty, they'll be easy to clean because the material of it is, it's very interesting. These other shoes from SHEIN are like supposed to be basketball shoes. So we'll see what those actually turn out to be. I know this is a really bad angle, but I'm about to go eat supper, but I just want to make a real quick, hopefully, real quick video of me opening my second pair of shoes that I got from SHEIN. I'm thinking these might be cheaper made than the last ones, which you will see before I'll combine the videos, but last time I checked it this morning, it said that it was still in the air because these were made in China. Those were made in Indiana, USA. But then when I got to work, they're like, they're delivered. I was like, wait, what? So, I don't know, they feeling pretty nice. Well, oh, they're so white. They're gonna get so dirty. Oh, snap. Okay, so I remember how I said online, it said that it was the color, there were black, and then these said army green. So they just don't know how to officially put colors, but okay. I don't know. I mean, the bottom feels very cheap, but I'm vibing with it though. These are kids. Oh, nice. These are kids' shoes. Oh, snap. I'm gonna just pop these on real quick. Make sure they fit good. I mean, if they don't fit, I ain't sending them back. I'll just donate them. I'll see if I can pop these on. Ooh, why does that feel so strange? Okay. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Okay, are they cheap? Yes. Do I care? No. Okay, this is a bop. Let me see what they feel like. No way. No. They are like the bounciest, springiest shoes. No flipping way. I like these better than these ones that I got. I mean, these are dope and they feel soft on the inside, but they're not very bouncy. These said on the description, they're kid sizes, but 6.5 big kids is a size 8 in women's. They are so springy. I'm loving this. So the end result was I love these shoes, especially these basketball ones. I wear these a lot, very comfortable. And these shoes are still squishy, but nowhere near as good as the other ones. But they're still, I love the color for them. I hope you like this. Bye.